left hand si Saya. Ayan. So ang left hand, ang mga sa naping ko parang form yung sa I na pababa. So left hand din si Saya. Good cook si Kenneth.
Oh, good cook!
Yeah. So si Pas Arnold, 60s, born 60s, North Lovely niya si Brother Nick. Likes to dance budots, tako. Ngayon lang yata eh. Gusto daw sa payo ni Kaiser.
Ipunin lang natin silang lahat mamaya dito. Meron tayong ano.
Has a broken bone, Nino. Fasting right now, Pastor Arnold. Has 3 children. Kuya Emmy. Work night shift, Nicholas. Thank you.
Sa akin po dito, paano siya paalam. Has the same birth month as you. Si Pastor Arnold po, parehas kaming July. Tapos yung likes to dance budots, ko, si Saya. Nag-volunteer. So works night shift, si Nicholas, yan, si Broski. Grew up in the province. Si Kuya Enar. Tapos sa Siswon family at CCM or CCMB, si Kuya Francis po. Yeah.
Saan ang probinsya ni Kuya Enar? So yun, let's get deeper. Kapag meron tayong nalaman na bagong impormasyon, maganda yung start ng small talk. So ito, si Aga.
Yan, sa akin yung na-form ko yung bingo sa taas. As a favorite childhood memory, si Kuya John Dex. Left-handed, si Pas Jeff. Alam ko yan. Nagda-drums yan natin, baliktad lahat eh. As a beautiful wife, syempre si Pastor June. Born in the 70s, si Kuya Alfred. Has the same favorite food as you, si Case. Chicken, yun daw yung sip eh.
Sa akin po yung I. Left-handed, si Toby. Good cook, si Kuya Francis, Tito Francis. Born in the 60s, si Pastor Arnold. Snores loudly, maladaungan, si Broski. At next to dance budol, si Carlo Katubay.
Same kami ni Marvin ay pababa. Left-handed si Saya. Good cook si Ken. Born in the 60s si Ninong Dan. Snores loudly, syempre si likes to dance budot si Kuya Enar.
Straight po pababa. Has the same birth month as you, si Marvin, March 18 ako. Next to dance budo si Kuya Saya. Work night shift si Arch. Then grew up in the province si Tito Enar. Then has his whole family at si Tito Lito.
Sa akin naman, horizontal po siya. Can recite at least 5 memory verses. Siyempre, Pastor Jeff. Snores loudly, wala nang iba kundi si Nicolas. Mayroong tatlong anak, siyempre Kuya Emil, ayan po, has a special talent. Napili ko si Kuya Arch, kumanda to. Okay, a dialect aside from Tagalog, si Kuya Lito, yan, Ilocano.
So yun, pwede ba natin tawagan si Pastor Jeff para sa kanya limang memory verses?
John 3:16. What the wages of sin is death. For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only begotten Son. Whosoever believes in Him. Psalm 18 verse 1. I love you, Lord, my strength. Pangatlo. Romans 5:8. But God demonstrated His own love for us in this while we were. Ang pangapat ko ay Mark 11:24. Whatever things you ask in prayer, believe, and it will be yours. Matthew 6:33. Save na to. Seek Him first, His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you.
Sa akin, letter N pababa, has a beautiful wife, Daddy M, of course, has a broken bone si Nick, dati. Fasting right now si Arch, has 3 children si Pastor Arnold, and then works night shift si Jones.
Horizontal. Sino yung may favorite childhood memory? Si John Dex. Left-handed, si Gideon. Beautiful wife, si Kuya Pink. Okay, born in the 70s, si Michael yata daw, Michael. Michael, okay, so, and just the same favorite food, si Kaiser. Chicken.
Yun, so, sa akin naman vertically. So, sa left-handed, si Boss Toby Lugang. So, good cook, si Tito Francis Figuar. Sa born in 60s, si Pastor Arnold. Stars Loudly, sorry, Pastor Jeff. Tapos likes to dance, Budots, kay Josiah.
Ayun po, dalawa po yung nabuo ko, vertical tsaka horizontal. Pero horizontal has TikTok dance video si Kuya Carlo. Good cook si Tito Mike. And then has broken bones really. And only child na lang po po kay Pastor Arnold. Kasi siya pumirma si David po. And then has his dream job right now, Pastor yan.
Hello po. Sa akin naman po horizontal. As a favorite childhood memory, si John Ren, nahulog daw siya sa jeep ng bata. Tapos left-handed si Toby, as a beautiful wife si Pastor Arnold. Born in the 70s si Kuya Fred. Then has the same favorite food as you, si Pastor Jeff, menudo.
Kaya salamat po, palapakan naman natin sila. Yun lang po. Kasi ang goal naman ng laro ay makilala natin ang isa't isa. Sana itong mga nasimulan nating small talk, even after later, or sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na linggo, ay pag-usapan pa rin natin. Picture daw po. Picture.